and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banoffee pie. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it! You will need 225 grams of digestive biscuits, 150 grams of butter, 400 grams of caramel, 3 small bananas, 300 millilitres of double cream, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, and 1 square of dark chocolate. Firstly, what you need to do is put all of the digestive biscuits into a Ziploc bag and then crush them until you get fine crumbs. Right, so there we go, we've finished crushing all the biscuits. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them here whilst I take over my butter and melt it in a saucepan. Remember to keep stirring the butter so you don't burn it. And when you're finished, you should have something looking a bit like this. Right, so there we go, I've finished melting my butter. So now what I need to do is add it with the biscuits into a large mixing bowl. And then we can mix it all together. Right, now I need to mix the biscuits with the butter until it's thoroughly combined. Right, so I've finished mixing up my mixture. So now all I need to do is put it into a 23 centimetre loose bottomed tart tin. And now I need to smooth it all into the corners and flatten it all out so the biscuit is covering the whole area. Make sure you put all of the mixture into the corners and then you can leave it to cool in the fridge for 1 hour or overnight if you'd like. Beat the caramel until it's loosened up and then you can put it onto your biscuit base. Where you can then spread it into the corners. Smooth it into the corners. And then you're ready to put your bananas on. Chop up your 3 bananas into small slices and then when you're finished, set them aside in a bowl. Then gently put the chopped bananas on top of your caramel until the base is completely covered. Now I've finished putting my banana and my toffee on top of my biscuit base. All I need to do now is put it in the fridge to keep it cool. Whip the double cream with the icing sugar until billowy and thick. Then take your banoffee pie out of the fridge and spoon the whipped cream on top of the bananas. And there we go. I've finished putting the cream on top of my banoffee pie. Now all I need to do is sprinkle a bit of chocolate on top to give it a nice finish. And there we go. It's all done. Just need to spread out the chocolate a bit and then it will be lovely to eat.